Sick of the same old food? Dare to try this legendary dark cuisine. Who knows, you might even love it. This is called a CenturyEgg. Despite the name, it's not 100 years old. It's a preserved egg made using a traditional method. It might seem unusual if you've never tried it before. But for us, it's a comforting and familiar, a flavor we grew up with. There are many ways to enjoy CenturyEggs, but for me, the green pepper version is pure magic. If you've never tried CenturyEggs, this is a one to start with. It's simple, refreshing, and surprisingly delicious. Because of the preservation process, the surface sometimes forms beautiful pine-like patterns, and the white becomes translucent, almost like jelly. The yolk is silky, smooth, and creamy, with a rich umami flavor, my favorite part. This dish is easy to make. Peel the eggs and cut them into small pieces. Chop the peppers. Heat a little extra oil and stir fry for about 3 minutes until fragrant. The green pepper sauce is the soul of this dish. Then add soy sauce, sugar, Sichuan peppercorn, and a pinch of chicken powder. I like to add a little red pepper too. It makes the dish look more colorful. Finally, drizzle in some chili oil and mix well. The sauce is so good, it makes everything taste amazing. Pour the sauce over the eggs, and it's ready to enjoy. Make sure each bite has some green pepper with the CenturyEgg. The combination is out of this world. Would you dare to try it? Let me know in the comments. Bye!